How to share PowerPoint presentation document as a link to WhatsApp directly. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to PowerPoint. This is the home page. Now choose the document that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Click on it until it takes you to this page. Now click on the share option here, and now click on share as a link. Click on edit link. Now here you will find the WhatsApp option, and you can share it to WhatsApp as a link, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you later.